Hey guys, so I was thinking, what is the average internet speed? No, not in the Philippines, but the entire world. So I went to Google and searched it up. And when I saw the average speed, I was amazed, dude. Freaking 43 megabits per second. So then I wondered, wait, if the average speed is 43, then why is my internet so goddamn slow? Because usually it's around 100 or 200. I don't know how to say the K, but like I think gigabits. 1 megabit, like in a good day. So that's the topic of this video. Why is the internet here in the Philippines so goddamn awful, bad, slow, trash? Well, mainly it's the lack of cell towers. It only covers about like 40% of the population. I did a little bit of math work and I've worked it out that it only covers like 64.8 million people. And by the way, the entire population of the Philippines is like 108. And so the easy solution here is to make more cell towers, right? Well, yes, but there are obstacles, preventing it. Firstly, the cost. On average, cell towers cost about like 750,000, all depending on the company, the location, and the space. Secondly, a policy made by former President Fidel V. Ramos in the mid-90s. Although it was for something good for improving our telecommunications, the problem here is instead of investing on the emerging technology of the internet, the policy just doubled down on tech that was basically obsolete. And if you were a company that wants a telecom license, get this. Oh boy. You had to promise, have to build 400,000 landlines. So basically, the policy made it extremely difficult for any company to get into the market, which leads to company monopolizing the market. But we'll talk about that later. And thirdly, the amount of time to build a single cell tower takes extremely long, dude. Extremely long. It takes 29 to 35 permits to build a single tower. And that's not even the worst part. All the permits takes 240 days to process before it gets approved. Okay, the legal stuff is now done. Let's go to the commercial stuff. But before that starts, I want you guys to please like, subscribe, comment, anything really. You might earn a shout out when you comment. Yeah. First, lack of competition. The only ISPs or internet service providers that I think everyone knows are Globe and PLDT. And don't even say Smart, because it's owned by PLDT. Secondly, the price. In the US, $15 could get you about 10 megabits per second, unlimited. And get this, $15 means 750 pesos. Now if you paid 1,000 pesos or 20 bucks, you get 2 to 3 megabits per second, and it's not even unlimited. There's a data cap that. Thirdly, corruption. There's no explanation needed there. The only thing you need to know is company get richer, you get poorer. And lastly, I think this is the worst part, but I don't know, it may be subjective, but false advertisement. I'll make this short. So let's say, for example, you see a Globe ad saying, get Plan X, up to 5 megabytes per second, 50 gigabytes of data. And then you buy it, instead of 5 megabits, you get 50 gigabits. That's what I'm saying, dude. And some of you at home might be saying, why is it so important? Well, it's important because it could ruin the economy. But yeah, really, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. And make sure to subscribe Yeah.